Hi guys, my name is Leo, and we're gonna show our fidgets. So the blue Among Us puppet, the yellow Among Us puppet, now this dimple, and now a simple dimple. Now this dog Orbeez ball found at Dollar Tree, and this splat ball, and another Orbeez stress ball dog. I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting is what I do. And once these days, if you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you. ASMR. Okay, I have a special guest. It's out there. Come on, let's go fidgets. Now play this one. It's kind of broken. We're gonna play with the fidgets. Fidget boy. Also, this is a dimple. Yep. This is a puppet. Well, these we got these at the Dollar Tree, but this like what the other one of this is actually broken. So it's like gone. Good thing that was okay. Good thing this is the good side. That's so good. Oh, please move. Look at this. Yes, fidget tail.
This is a Orbeez dog.
I really like that one. I could go to the Dollar Tree again and then get another videos with little Miriam. Look. You can do ASMR with this.
This is a dimple.
And this is a simple. It's actually called a simple dimple. It's not called a simple. It's just weird to call it simple. This is a simple dimple. Okay, that one is kind of broken. The tape, because I put a tape because there's like a little hole there. So let's go.
Guys, let's go organize it.
Yeah, let's go organize it for tomorrow. And show Brooke all our fidgets.
Please, I need this back so we can organize it.
So those are the popping. Wait, put them together. I think we need to. Oh. Oh. How did the smallest one fall? Well, we done organizing. Bye. This is so good. Bye. Bye, guys. No, this is mine. This is mine now. Ha ha.